Indonesia, North Sumatra, Lake Toba, the largest lake in Southeast Asia and one of the most spectacular in the world, located at the outskirts of Parapat and Balege towns, a 1,325 meters above sea level, 275 kilometers or 3.5 hours by car from Medan city. The centerpiece of North Sumatra, Lake Toba glittering in all its beauty, surrounded by tall mountains with bracing climates and magnificent panoramas. Farmers at Lake Toba's mountain planting and operating Arabica coffee from the type of Caturra and Typica. We, CV Yudi Putra, has been creating close partnership with coffee farmer in this area related to the organic certification by Control Union and rainforest certification by BioCert for 382 hectares land, as well as the ecosystem protection certification. Those certified lands are spread in 7 villages around Lake Toba, such as Simaibang, Sidalogan, Bonandolok, Motung, Sibisa, Lintong Julu, and Girsang village. There are 8 to 12% of our farmers are picking the unripe cherries, and the rest are picking the ripe cherries. Most farmers use a unique process called wet hulling or giling basah. In this technique, farmers remove the outer skin from the cherries mechanically using rustic hulling machines. The coffee beans, still coated with mucilage, are then fermenting for about 12 to 14 hours. Following this waiting period, the mucilage is washed off and the parchment coffee is dried for sale. Every production and transaction from our farmers are well recorded. Using registered forms at the collector site, each transaction and parchment delivery from our farmers are being documented. These are our traceability concerns. Hulling process will be done in Sipangan Bolon, Parapat area at CV Yudi Putra's huller. The parchment was having its moisture level at about 35 to 40%. In common process, our Sumatra coffee will having wet hulling process, or famously called as giling basah. After hulling process, the parchment will then re-drying to reach its moisture level up to 13.5%. The thickness of the coffee beans will not more than 10% when drying process. Therefore, we have to remove the beans up and down side every 30 minutes at patio in order to maintain the good quality of the coffee. To avoid the increase of coffee's acidity, we transport the coffee beans at evening time from our huller at Sipangan Bolon to our warehouse in Medan for further process. There are 8 steps to be done in delivering the coffee to our warehouse as follows. First, weighing. Second, grading. This is to make sure the normal moisture content. Third, re-drying. This is for reaching the 13% of moisture content as international standard required. Fourth, sieving. Fifth, Sutton or gravitation machine. Sixth, hand picking. Seventh, control. CV Yudi Putra is powered by 3 personnel of copper who trained as coffee taster at Coffee and Cocoa Research Indonesia office in Jember. 2 of them are already certified of key grader by SCAA with good result. 8th, packed. Our coffee product will be packed and exported as per the quality approved by the buyer in the sample that has been shipped firstly. Sumatra Arabica coffee mostly use the term of DP in its contract clause, interpreted wrongly as dry processing. For example, Sumatra Arabica Mandiling DP or Sumatra Arabica Lintong DP or Sumatra Arabica Toba Lake DP. The correct meaning of DP is actually double picked, refer to the process of selecting coffee beans manually or hand-picked by 2 times, which used to call double picked. Our market is spread to USA for 65%, to Japan 20%, and the rest to Europe and Australia. CV Yudi Putra established in 1979 in Medan. We have been receiving many awards, such as Prima Nyarta Award for Best Exporter from Indonesian government and Partnership Appreciation Award from PT Bank Negara Indonesia.